Hello and welcome to the north coast of the Dominican Republic. Phil here from DR Property Guys, and today we have a beautiful one-bedroom ocean view apartment with rooftop terrace in a selected gated apartment community. Let's not waste any time and take you for a look inside. So head this way and let's take a look around. As you can see, this is a modern, vibrant, and spacious apartment with enough space for up to 4 people. And follow me this way for a rooftop terrace with spectacular ocean view. This apartment has great rental potential, both in the low season and the high season. For more information, please check the description beneath, and you can also find us at drpropertyguys.com. And if you've enjoyed this video, please do us a huge favor and hit the like, share, and subscribe button.